Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove ruler guides in Photoshop. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Photoshop. So once you open Photoshop, so let's suppose let me add lines first. So then I'm going to show you how you can remove. So let me add this one from here as well, like this. So here you can see that guide. So how you can remove, so you simply need to hold it and add it here like this. Here you can see. So let me remove this as well. Now you can see that guides are removed. So this is the process how you can remove ruler guides in Photoshop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.